Hello students, I am Sheetal Bhanushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard first, chapter number 2, addition up to 20, part 2. Students, in the earlier part, we studied counting forward to add. We can also use a number strip to count forward. So, let us start with a number strip. A number strip can also be used to count forward. This is a number strip. Can you see some numbers written? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is known as a number strip. While counting forward with the help of a number strip, always remember we have to start with the bigger number. Which number? Bigger number. So let us start. First, 4 plus 3 is equals to dash. Which is the bigger number here? 4 or 3? 4. So first you need to circle the bigger number, that is 4. And in the number strip also you will start with 4. You have to add 3. So you will count forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer here? 7. So you will write 7. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Next, 2 plus 5 is equals to dash. Which is the bigger number here? 5. So you need to circle 5. And in the number strip also you will start with 5. You have to add 2. So you will count forward 2 times. 1 and 2. So what is the answer here? 7. So write here 7. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Got it, students? Next, circle the bigger number and then count forward. Here you have to circle the bigger number and then you have to count forward. Let us start. First one, 2 plus 6 is equals to dash. Which is the bigger number here? 6. So you need to circle 6. And here in the number strip also you will start with 6. You have to add 2. So 1 and 2. What is the answer here? 8. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. Next, 3 plus 5 is equals to dash. So the bigger number here is 5. So circle 5. In the number strip also we will start with 5. Then you have to add 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So here 8. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Next, 7 plus 1 is equals to dash. Which is the bigger number here? 7. So you need to circle 7. In the number strip also you will start with 7. You have to add only 1 here. So count forward 1 time. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Got it, students? Next, 2 plus 8 is equals to dash. Students, this is your homework. You will do this in your textbook only. When our school will reopen, I will check. Got it, students? Now, let us start with the new topic, that is number combinations. Look for a pattern, fill in the boxes and learn the combinations. An ant has 2 stomachs. In one stomach, it holds food for itself, and in the second stomach, it holds food to be shared with other ants. Count the ants. So here, to find the combinations, we have to do counting. Let us start. combination of 1. Here 1 ant is there, so here 1 is written. Here there is no ant, so 0 is written. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Here there is no ant, so 0 is written, and here 1 ant is there, so 1 is written. 0 plus 1 is again 1. When we are finding the combinations of 1, the answers will be 1. So here combinations of 1 are 1 plus 0 and 0 plus 1. Got it, students? Then moving forward to combinations of 2. When we are finding combinations of 2, the answers will be 2 only. Got it, students? Let us start here first. 2 ants are there, so 2 is written, and here 0 ants, so 0 is written. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. Here 1 ant is there, and here also 1 ant is there, so 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Here 0 ants are there, and here 2 ants are there, so 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. How many total ants are there here? 2. Here also 2, and here also 2. So when we are finding the combinations of 2, the answer will be 2. So what are the combinations of 2? 2 plus 0, 1 plus 1, and 0 plus 2. Got it, students? Moving forward, combinations of 3. What will be the answer here? 3. So here first 3 ants, and here 0 ants, which means 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. Then 2 ants and 1 ant, so 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now here some blanks are there, so you have to write the numbers. So you will write this in your textbook. 1 ant, so write here 1. 2 ants, so write here 2. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Next, no ants, so 0. Here 1, 2 and 3 ants, so 3. So 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. Got it, students? So the combinations of 3 are 3 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, and 0 plus 3. Got it? Next, combinations of 4. 4 ants, 0 ant. So 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. Write 4 here. 3 ants, 1 ant. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 2 ants, 2 ants. So first 2 and then again 2. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 1 ant, 3 ants. So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 0 ant and 4 ants. So 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. Can you see a pattern? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Similarly, in every combinations 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Can you see that? So the combinations of 4 are 4 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3 and 0 plus 4. Got it, students? Next, a caterpillar has 12 eyes and 6 legs. Now count the caterpillars. So combinations of 5. 5 caterpillars and 0. So 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Here 4 caterpillars. So you have to write here 4 and here 1. So 1. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. 3 and here 2. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 1 and here 4. So 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. 0 because there is no caterpillar and 5. So 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. So the combinations of 5 are 5 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4 and 0 plus 5. Got it, students? Have you noticed there is one more combination than the number itself? See, the number is 5. How many combinations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many combinations are there? 6. So whatever the number is, the combinations are one more than itself. Let us count the combinations of 6. Let us start with the combination of 6. 6, 0. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. 5. So write here 5. 1. So 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 4. 2. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 3. 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 2. 4. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. 1. 5. So 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. 0. 6. So 0 plus 6 is equals to 6. Just count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 has 7 combinations. Got it, students? Next, spiders have 8 legs. Some spiders have no eyes and some can even have 8 eyes. We have to count the spiders here. Combinations of 7. How many combinations 7 will be having? So 7 will be having 7 plus 1 combination, that is 8 combination. The total number of combinations that 7 will be having is 8. So let us start. 7 plus 0. So 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So you will count the spiders here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. 0 because here only web is there, there is no spider. So 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 plus 7 is equals to 7. Just count the number of combinations: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 7 combinations of 7 are 8. Next is combinations of 8. Now in the same way, you have to count the number of spiders and write here in the boxes. So this is your homework. You have to do this in your textbook only. Got it, students? Next, it takes 12 bees their entire life to make 1 teaspoon of honey. Count the bees. Now, for the combinations of 9, we have to count the bees. Let us start. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write here 9, and here no bees. So write here 0. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8 and 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7 and 1 and 2. Write here 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 and 3. So write 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 0 bees. So 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are the combinations of 9. 9 will be having 9 and 1 more, that is 10 combinations. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Got it, students? You have to learn your number combinations well. Clear, students? So now we have to use number combinations to fill in the missing numbers. Let us start. Here all the answers are 7, right? So these all are the combinations of 7. 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. Then 6 plus dash is equals to 7. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So you need to write 1 here. Likewise, you have to fill all the missing numbers, which are the combinations of 7. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. And 0 plus 7 is equals to 7. Got it, students? Now, next, here all the answers are 8. It means that these all are the combinations of 8. So, fill in all the missing numbers. 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. And 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. Got it, students? Next, here all the answers are 9. So these are the combinations of 9. So this is your homework. Like 7 and 8 we did. In the same way you have to do the combinations of 9, and you have to fill all the missing numbers. Got it, students? You have to do this in your textbook only. Let us start use your number facts. Now we will learn adding three numbers. Let us start 3 plus 4 plus 2. Whenever we add three numbers, first we have to add any two numbers, and then whatever the answer comes, we have to add that answer with the third number. So here 3 and 4 are underlined. So let us add 3 and 4 first. 4 is the bigger number. Then we have to count forward how many times? 3 times. The same way which we did in the number strip. So what comes after 4? 5, 6 and 7. So 7 is the answer. When we add 4 and 3, we get 7. Now we have to add 7 with the third number, that is 2. Which is the bigger number, 2 or 7? 7 is the bigger number. So we have to count forward 2 times. What comes after 7? 8. So 8 and 9. So 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Got it, students? Or else we can also add 4 and 2 first, and then the answer with the 3. Which is the bigger number here? 4. So we have to circle the 4. After that we have to count forward 2 times, that is 5 and 6. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Then we have to add 6 with the third number, that is 3. So what comes after 6? 7, 8 and 9. So again our answer is 9. Or else we can also add 3 and 2 first, and then its answer with the 4. So 3 and 2 gives us 5. Then 5 plus 4 gives us 9. So you can add numbers in any order and still get the same answer. You can add like the first one or second or third, all the answers will be same. Got it, students? Let us do some sums. Add the underlined numbers first. Now you have to add the underlined numbers first, the numbers which are underlined. A. First is already done. 1 plus 2 gives us 3, and then plus 5. So 3 plus 5 gives us 8. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 5. 2 and 5 are underlined. So 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Now we have to add 7 with 1. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 5. So 1 and 5 are underlined. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. And the 2 is remaining. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. You remember the number combinations, students? Number combinations are used here. Got it, students? Next, B. 4 plus 1 are underlined. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So you have to write here 5. And then 3 is remaining. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. For this you need to remember your number combinations very well. So first you remember your number combinations and then you will do this exercise. Got it, students? Next, 4 plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 plus dash is equals to dash. Now 1 and 3 are underlined. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So write here 4, and 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So write here 8. Now here 4 plus 1 plus 3. 4 and 3 are underlined. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So write here 7. And one number which is remaining, you will write it here. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. So write here 8. Got it, students? Now next is circle the numbers you are adding first. Here you have to circle the numbers which you are adding first. 0 and 2 are already circled. So 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. Then we have to add 2 with 7. So 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. Next, B, 3, 2 and 1. 2 and 1 are already circled here. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now 3 plus the number is remaining 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So your answer is 6. You need to write here 6. For this also you need to remember your number combinations. Got it, students? Next, C. 1, 5 and 3. You can add any two numbers first, but you have to circle that numbers. Let us circle 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. Now 3 is remaining, so 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So your answer is 9. Got it, students? D. 2, 5 and 2. Let us circle 5 and this 2. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 and 2 is remaining. So 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. So write here 9. E. 4, 4 and 1. Let us circle this 4 and this 1. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 and plus 4 is remaining. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Got it, students? You can add any two numbers first. Clear, students? But for adding this, you need to remember your number combinations, or else you won't be able to add. So learn number combinations very well. Got it, students? Next, color 4 kittens orange, 1 black and the rest white. So you have to color the kittens. Here are some kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 kittens are there. You will color 4 kittens red. You can color any 4 kittens with red. You will color 1 kitten with black and the rest kittens with white color. Got it, students? So how many white kittens are there? How many kittens in all? So orange kittens are 4. Which are the orange kittens? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 orange kittens are there. Then 1 black kitten is there. How many kittens are still remaining? That is 1, 2 and 3. So these are the white kittens. So here you will write 3 kittens. How many kittens? 3 kittens, which are white in color. How many kittens are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 kittens. How many kittens? 8. You can count all the kittens, or else you can count these two first. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Then you have to add 3 to the 5. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Got it, students?